In Mount Vernon, there's a special place that gives you a warm welcome like you're a member of the family. That place is COA Mexican Eatery and Tequileria. Here you'll find some fantastic cocktails, authentic Mexican dishes made with Skagit fresh produce, and faces full of smiles when they see you walk in the door.
They know you and remember you and what's happening in your life, as well as serve you incredible food.
After the first few times we'd been here, they were already recognizing us.
You feel like everyone that works here are friends, and then all of a sudden you're a friend. And it feels like you're going into their kitchen and you're just eating with them.
I liked it to make them feel welcome, make them feel loved, like family.
Yeah.
They can just have a good conversation, come and enjoy.
Slow down.
Slow down a little bit, yes.
Yeah.
Enjoy your time here.
Viry Delgado is COA's owner. With a team full of close friends and family, they don't just serve amazing dishes, but an experience of their own history with food.
Everything that you get here, it's made with a lot of thought, making sure that you like it. When you taste it, you like it.
Yeah.
It's our treat to you.
I love that.
The food is delicious always, and you can tell the amount of care that's put into the ingredients and the food itself.
It shows that they really support the community by using the locally food. The quality of everything that they do is amazing.
Don't miss later in the show when Viry, Chef Oscar, and I make a savory traditional Mexican dish that features Washington potatoes.
So what are you looking for now for this to be ready?
He wants all the products to get to know them and eat it together.
Everything needs to get to know each other.
Exactly. Love each other.
They're having a little party in there.
Yes.